The Mongol influence on Islamic lands and culture. Quiz. In which modern-day country was Genghis Khan born? A. Mongolia. What event triggered Genghis Khan's invasion of the Khwarezmian Empire? C. The execution of a Mongol trade caravan. What was a primary reason for Genghis Khan's success in expanding the Mongol Empire? B. His use of spies and intelligence. Which famous city, home to the Abbasid Caliphate, was sacked by the Mongols under Hulagu Khan in 1258? B. Baghdad. How did Genghis Khan's successes influence the spread of Islam? B. Some converted to Islam, promoting its spread. After Genghis Khan's death, some of his descendants converted to Islam. Who was one of the first Mongol rulers to embrace Islam? C. Berke Khan. Which empire did Genghis Khan's forces invade, marking the beginning of Mongol incursions into the Islamic world? D. Khwarezmian Empire. Which Mongol ruler established the Ilkhanate in Persia and later converted to Islam, contributing to the spread of Islam in Mongol territories? C. Ghazan Khan. Which Muslim empire did Genghis Khan's forces invade first, sparking a series of conflicts? C. Khwarezmian Empire. How did Genghis Khan's invasions impact Islamic scholarship and culture in the affected areas? B. Many scholars fled, taking Islamic knowledge to other regions. Which Islamic scholar is believed to have been significantly impacted by the Mongol invasions, leading to his writings on the crisis facing the Muslim world? C. Ibn Taymiyyah. What was one of the primary acts of cruelty committed by the Mongols during their invasions of the Muslim world? B. Destroying major cities, cultural centers, libraries and killing large number of Muslims. What positive influence did Mongol rule eventually bring to Muslim lands? B. Religious tolerance that allowed Islam to flourish. What major trade route did the Mongols control, which helped to facilitate the exchange of goods and ideas between the Muslim world and East Asia? C. The Silk Road. After Genghis Khan's death, the Mongol Empire was divided among his descendants. What were these divisions called? C. Khanates.